I would like to invite you to join us Tuesday, November the 3rd at 1 p.m. Eastern Time to this webinar where we will share what we have learned out of the ZeroLogon attack, the nastiest that I have seen in many years and in the nasty 2020. And we will understand the nature of it. We will actually run a real-time proof of concept where you will see the effectiveness of this particular attack. And we will have a distinguished group of panelists where you will have the opportunity to ask your questions about this particular attack and QReader and any other related topic on it. So please consider joining us this Tuesday at 1 p.m. The link for this registration is in the video description below. Thanks. Looking forward to see you on Tuesday.